you want to win Thai people's heart in the first sight, today I'm going to show you how to wai like a Thai. Hey guys, it's me, Som. Today I'm going to guide you an easy step how to wai like a Thai. Wai can use in so many different situations in Thailand, such as greeting, thank you, sorry, or even goodbye to someone. And wai can use in the same way to respectful for someone or become unfriendly. As the way that you guys doing like shaking hands or waving to someone, in Thailand we use wai in different situations like you. So there will be very easy step, just follow me. 1. You're going to place your palm together and placing on your chest. Let me turn. And then you slightly bow. That's easy, right? Sometimes when you're going to do the slightly bow, you're going to say some word as well. For example, สวัสดีค่ะ is mean like hey, or ขอโทษค่ะ. This always work when you're going to say sorry to someone. You're going to do why and say the word in the same time. This will be really the most acceptable way in Thailand. So there are 3 levels how to wai like a Thai. Follow me with the good tips. You will be the best wai to the Thai people. First of all, we have the wai for the levels of people who are younger than you. So you're going to place your palm together and pressing on your chest and slightly bow. That's right. And the tip is to wai to the person who is younger than you, the thumb going to touch your chin this way. One more time. Easy, right? So, and how you're going to respond to the people who are older than you, your boss, your teacher, or the parents of your friends, you're going to do this way. Press your palm together, slightly bow forward, and remember the thumb is touch your nose. One more time. Yep, that's easy, right? And the third level that Thai people always do is to do it to the monk or the Thai lawyer. Don't forget, the tip is about your tongue. The tip is about your tongue. So you're going to press your palm together and put your thumb to your eye between eyebrows like this. One more time. And fun fact, when you're going to do the wai to the monk or Thai lawyers, they're not going to respond you back, but they might respond the way that like nod their head or maybe like they're smiling to you. So most of the foreigner here already know why it's a common way, but they always forgot to slightly bow forward. Or you already placed the hands like this, but they really do it this way. So this is not what we are really doing, but we're going to slightly bow to touch like this. So guys, it's all about wai. Very easy step to follow and it's not complicated at all. You can do this anytime when you go to meet Thai friends or anytime you want to thank you to someone. That will be very touching and really open Thai people's heart. So, if you have any questions, just comment on down below here. And if you're looking for some news or what happening here in Thailand, please don't miss to click the subscribe to our channels. So, see you in the next video. Bye bye. สวัสดีค่ะ